Good morning, friends. So it's been a minute. Like, I have not posted in like 2 weeks. I'm not gonna lie, I took a well-needed break for some things in my personal life, and it honestly, I be understanding like when these YouTubers say they be needing to take a break because the vlogging, picking up your camera, wanting to enjoy the moment, it takes a lot out of you. So this past weekend we went to the farmers market, and it felt so good not to have my camera along with me, to just enjoy, you know, being at the farmers market with my family, with my friends. That felt so good, and it's been feeling good for the past 2 weeks. Not having to edit, not being on a time crunch of when a vlog needs to go up or when this needs to be posted. So I've really been on Lemon 8, posting there, because it's so easy, it's so free, it's just so refreshing, honestly. So that's where I've been spending a lot of my time at. So we're starting fresh this week, and we're gonna see how it goes, getting back into it. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of had some nervousness because I'm like, I haven't vlogged in 2 weeks, so it's just like, oh my gosh. I'm in bed. I've been up since probably 6. I didn't really have breakfast like that. I made a protein coffee, which honestly have been really good, and I had an egg white frittata with some spinach and peppers. I've been tracking my meals. My friend was telling me to try tracking my meals for like a good month and see the outcome. So this is the app that I'm using. If y'all can see it, it's called MyFitnessPal, and it tracks your meals you put in. As far as like your meals, it tracks your exercising. It just tracks all of that stuff for you, and it lets you know like how many calories you're supposed to have a day. It breaks it down as far as the macros, the carbohydrates, the fats, the proteins, sodium, like it just tracks everything for you. It sets a goal as far as based on your height, your age, and your weight, I believe, and it tells you like the base goal. So this morning my breakfast was 360 calories. I have 1850 left. My base goal for calories per day, since I also do workout, since I also do CrossFit 3 times a week, my base goal is 22, just rounded out 2200. So that is as far as calories go. But then when you break it down as far as in macros, I'm supposed to have 111 grams of protein, 74 grams of fat, and 276 grams of carbs. So I'm trying not to go over that. So it's honestly helping me choose my foods wisely now and not to overeat. But I do be hungry, and just as my friend said, like with me working out, you're supposed to be hungry. You just need to make sure that you're eating all of the right foods. So I have been hooked on reading these Colleen Hoover books. I'm not gonna even front. So I finished reading It Begins With Us. It Ends With Us. I already read that. Now I'm reading It Starts With Us, and I think I'm on chapter, oh gosh, it's a long chapter. Is this a chapter? It is. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I am chapter 12. So this is a good book. And then I also got another one the other day at Barnes and Noble. I think oh gosh, what is it called? perfect. So I got this one. And it was on sale, I believe. Or was it? No. These were on sale. I got these from Target. This one and then the other one I got from Target. They were 20% off. I gave the other one to my friend because I finished reading it. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want to jump on the bandwagon of the Colleen Hoover books because I love to read it no matter what type of book it is. If it draws me in within the first 2 chapters, then I love to read. But, I mean, I read it. I love to read regardless. But I had seen a lot of people, like, a couple years ago, like, Colleen Hoover, and I was like, okay, I'm sick and tired of hearing about her, especially when you get on TikTok, it's like, Colleen Hoover, blah, 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 blah. So, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna read it just yet. I'll wait for the hype and everything to die down, and you know, because a lot of people was going everywhere and could not find her books. They were being sold out. So I was like, I'm just gonna wait until I'm ready to read it, and then I'll go ahead and read it. That is about it. Oh, and I got my hair braided, y'all. As y'all know, I did cut my hair really short, but it's been growing out. So I was able to actually get it braided into box braids last week, Tuesday. I was so happy about that. They are so cute. And right now they're tied up because I'm sick and tired of them being everywhere. And when I sleep, they're just all in my face. So I'm like, no. But I will see y'all later. Yeah, I'll see y'all later. I'm just kind of excited to be back vlogging. So. It's A1. I had this same one yesterday and it came out in this pretty pink color, as y'all can see. I had called it the Barbie smoothie. But it's really good, like no lie. It really is. Oh, I need to log it. So I'm gonna log it and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. My calories are down to 1565 after me adding the smoothie. And then so far I had 645 calories today. My fats are still okay. My carbs, they increased a little bit. My protein, of course, increased a lot. That's the thing, that's the goal, to take in protein, to take in the healthy fats. So I'm pretty sure when I have lunch today, because I'm having like a taco bowl, when I have lunch today, I'm pretty sure my protein is gonna go up. I'm pretty sure my fats are gonna go up, and so are my carbs. I'm trying my hardest today not to eat over the carb percentage that they gave me. So right now I'm doing good. I am going to read a little bit of my book. I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie. Where's my book? Oh, okay. Enjoy my smoothie. Read up on my book. And oh, I'm almost close to chapter 14, 13. Oh, okay, well, yeah, we're gonna read. I'll see y'all later. Say what now? Hold on. I'm picking up from where I left off on Saturday. And already, it haven't even been a whole minute. It haven't even been a whole minute. Oh gosh. That's why you gotta keep reading, because I got stuck on that part and I was like, Alyssa did what? But you gotta keep reading. You gotta keep reading. Not pulling a female move. I'm sorry. Oh, see, this is honestly, I'm about to cut filming because I want to, yeah. This is why I love Alyssa and Marshall so much, because Alyssa is the sister of Riley, and she does not care that that's her brother. She's not going to defend him. She is going to keep it all the way 100. Marshall is Riley's best friend, and they've been best friends since kids, and Marshall is keeping it 100. Like, he don't care. They don't care. That's why I love Marshall and Alyssa. Yeah. Chapter 13. Let me not give away to the people who haven't. So I'm gonna finish reading my book, and I will see y'all later, probably when I'm making my lunch. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna make this real quick because I'm running on 4% of a battery. But right now, this is lunch. It's the taco bowl. They have rice, corn, black beans, pinto beans. I cut up some chicken, and then I also have a corn muffin. I did update my food, so right now this is where I'm at. A little over 1,000 calories left for today, and then these are my macros. I'm doing good with protein. Make sure I do not exceed over that. And then of course sodium is kind of skyrocketing because the chicken, the taco bowl, you know, that stuff got salt in it. But as long as we stay within that goal, we should be good. So I will check back in once I have lunch. Right now I'm just going to watch some TV, and that's about it. So I'll see y'all later. You finna what?
Give me a egg sandwich and go to the bank.
From where?
Espresso.
From where?
Espresso.
What is that?
It's a gas station that they.
Your stomach is going to be tore back. And it's eggs. A little salt and pepper. You don't ask for onion powder?
Nah, because that's not on the, they Spanish, man. They don't.
They can add onion powder? What do you mean?
If they ain't got it, I ain't asking that on the screens.
I'm doing a school assignment, right? And it's a creative activity that my professor wants me to do. So she told me to close my eyes for a minute and scribble. And yeah, she wants me to scribble for a minute with my eyes closed. I can't look, of course. And then after a minute, I have to open my eyes and then add to the scribble. And then I also have questions I have to answer. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me as I do this scribble. Since my favorite color is green, we're gonna use a green crayon to do the scribble. So I'm just gonna adjust y'all real quick so y'all can see me scribble. And I'm gonna set my timer for 1 minute as I do this, and I'm gonna scribble. This is gonna be fun, honestly. Alright, so the timer starts now. Y'all can't even see it because the light. My bad, y'all. Hold up. Can y'all see? Do y'all see this? This is what I scribbled. So y'all couldn't see it, but this is the scribble. Honestly, it felt so like childish, but it felt fun at the same time. That kind of seems like a mini stress reliever for me in a way. Like, just imagine you being frustrated or aggravated by something and you just pause, take out a piece of paper, crayon, pen, whatever, and just scribble. I guarantee you, like, the way it made me feel, that there's no way that you should be opening your eyes and you're still upset, because it brings out the little kid in you. Honestly, oh my gosh, it really does. So I just wanted to do that on camera because I thought that would be fun. But this is my scribble, y'all. This light, I'm sorry. This is my scribble, and she told me to add to it if need be. Let me see. That was cool. I think I'm gonna try this with my kids, honestly. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'll see y'all later. I need to finish my schoolwork. Oh, I finished the book. I finished it. I'm tired, y'all. Okay, we're not going there. Bye.
Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no.
Are you running?